Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadgetgig. Micromax has launched one more budget smartphone in the In series and it's the In 2C. And in today's video, we will do the unboxing and will show you our first impressions about this phone. So starting with the unboxing experience, in the front we have the model 2C written here. And here at the back we have the specifications, and this is the 3GB RAM and 32GB storage variant. And about the features, we get the ARM Cortex-A75 octa-core processor. The display is 6.52 inches, we get the 8 megapixel dual AI camera, and the battery is 5000 mAh. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So on the top we have the smartphone itself, which we will check out in a moment. Then in the box we have the soft TPU case, a screen guard, and then we get the user guide. And here we have the Type-C charging cable. And then in the box we have the power adapter, which comes with the 10-watt power output. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the smartphone closely. Micromax In 2C is a budget smartphone. Looking at the design and build quality, the design of the In 2C is exactly as the In 2B. And we get this plastic back with the design. And guys, here we have the brown variant, and apart from that, this smartphone is also available in silver variant. Now in terms of the build quality, keeping in mind that it's an entry level phone and the price of this phone is Rs 7499. And at this price, we think that we're getting a decent build quality and design. Though the design is same as In 2B, and here we don't get the fingerprint sensor at the back. Now in terms of the overview, in the front we have the 6.52 inch screen, which offers 89% screen to body ratio. And here on the top we have the dewdrop front camera. Looking at the right side, we have the power and the volume buttons. And at the left, we get the triple slot SIM tray. Now looking at the back of the phone, we have the dual AI camera and the flashlight. And here at this side, we have the speaker grill. Now looking at the bottom, we have the Type-C charging port, a mic, and the headphone jack. And guys, one thing I must tell you that the build quality and the look and feel of this device is good, especially at this price point. Now let's turn it on for the first time. Meanwhile we're setting up the device, let me show you some key hardware specifications. So we get the Unisoc T610 octa-core processor, 3GB RAM, 6.52 inch HD plus display, 5000 mAh battery, 8 megapixel rear AI camera setup with a depth sensing camera, 5 megapixel front shooter, and you get the stock Android 11. So our phone is now all set up. Now let me show you the UI first. So guys, as you can see, we get the stock Android experience with this phone, and it doesn't come with any bloatware, which is very good at this price. Now about the storage, so after the first boot, we get approximately 25GB storage available, and you can also expand it with a micro SD card. Now in terms of the performance, talking about the display first, the 6.52 inch HD plus display looks good, and performance wise, it's good for watching videos and movies, though it's an HD plus display, which is expected in this price range. Now coming to the processor performance, the Unisoc T610 performs exceptionally well, and during our testing, we did the benchmark and the scores were pretty decent. But for some reason, the AnTuTu benchmark didn't show us the GPU score, but the overall score should be above 2 lakhs. And here we have the Geekbench score. We have also done some gaming with this phone, and for PUBG, by default the graphics setting is the HD and the high frame rate, and the max you can get is smooth and the ultra frame rate. Now looking at the camera performance, we have clicked few pictures, and the initial impression about the camera performance is average, which is again expected at this price. The camera output is good during daytime, but it lacks detail during low light and night time. And also, when you click a picture of a flower or a toy, it saturates the photo. Now talking about the video, the max video output from the rear and the front camera is 1080p at 30 frames per second. And here we have a sample video from this camera. Now lastly about the battery, the 5000 mAh battery in this phone can easily last up to 1 to 1.5 days with the moderate usage, which is also very good. So overall the Micromax In 2C is the younger sibling of the In 2B with some downgrades, such as you don't get the fingerprint sensor, and instead of the 4GB RAM, you're getting just 3GB RAM. And we have the 8 megapixel camera setup instead of the 13 megapixel camera. Performance wise, this phone performs good, be it for casual gaming or your daily tasks. The stock Android 11 is also an advantage, and the Unisoc T610 performance is snappy. The performance of the camera is decent and you get good daylight output, but the low light and the nighttime performance is just average. The display output is very good and you will enjoy watching videos and movies on this phone. The backfiring speaker is alright, but it's not that loud. So to sum it up, if you're looking for a budget smartphone around 7,000 rupees, then we think the In2C is a very good option. It's not a perfect phone, but keeping in mind the pricing, you're getting a good performance, design and build quality. And most importantly, the stock Android experience. And guys, as usual, if you like this phone and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and the first impressions of the Micromax In2C smartphone. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this smartphone, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.